Kan? Kita pilih buat gigi bukan? Keras pi. Apa? Satu.
In the last, the CNRD department has been doing wonders, I should say, where all the flagship programs and schemes, we have seen exponential growth in almost all the major schemes that are being implemented by the CNRD department. Apart from that, we realized that the block offices in most of the blocks were not in a good condition. So therefore, we have decided to start with the block offices, and in all the 46 blocks and the new 10 blocks, new buildings have been sanctioned. After this, we will also be further going and creating the staff quarters or repairing or maintaining and providing different facilities. The third step will be to provide boundary walls, and the fourth step will be to have multi-purpose hall in all the block offices. So we are doing it in a phase-wise manner. As you all will recall, that most of the block offices have been left in a dilapidated condition for the last 30 years, and not much was done at a large scale. It is only during the time of the MDA government